Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I am gonna be doing an aesthetic note on Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's start. So the first thing that you would like to do is click on a blank document. After clicking on a blank document, you go to page layout. It's up to you if you want it to be in a long bond paper or a short bond paper, but I love it in a long bond paper. Choose this. So after you choose that, you go to insert, shapes, and curve. After that, you just shape your curve to be aesthetic. Okay, so I like it like this. After you finish, click enter. After you click enter, you want to find a color that will suit you. But you can also go to a PowerPoint thingy, the PowerPoint color palette, but I like this better. So I'll want a pink one. This is easier. I want this one. Okay. Then you go make the outline that color. Then you grab some circles, then place that there. And then shape, fill in shape, outline, then copy it. After that, you resize it so that it can fill this spaces. Control V. Okay guys, as you can see, I have done it. So we're gonna do the other. Okay guys, so I'm done with the curves. So it's your choice if you want to put some details, and I want to. So I'm gonna put some details. Guys, so that's one of the details that I added. After you're satisfied with your work, you can go and add your text and fonts. Okay, so to add your text, go to insert, then go to text box, then click it, then go here in the simple text box, or you can go here and draw text box. I like this better. Okay, so you can go right here. Then to change, as you can see, the background of the text is white. So you're not gonna see the background. So to do that, you're gonna go to shape fill, then go to no fill, and do no outline. But if you want it to have white fill, you can just not change it. So I like to change the font here. You can go here, and I like this one. Then make it big. 3648. That's what I want. Okay, so after you do that, you just go to the green and then satisfy yourself on how you want it to be. Okay, so after that, you can do that again. It's the same actually. You just paste it and then you move it, then you do it here. Subject. Okay, after that, it's your choice if you want it to be like that or another thing. It's all up to you. So just reposition that, then paste again. Then you can write the remaining things here. So that's one of the things that Microsoft Word can do, and you can make your notes aesthetic because of this. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.